Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Scraplist Sunday. Laura and I are back and this is the one we are going to do. I found it. It is my scrap lift for Sunday this time around and it is from HipKit. I decided to, off camera, I went and followed what she did for her background pieces where I pulled out some colors that I want to use for the splattering, and off camera I took the pieces of paper, cut them, and then took my sewing machine and did some little stitching like she did in her background. And then I'm going to place this down on there and go from there. So ultimately this didn't take me too long to do. I just needed to make sure that as I went through that I made these strips of pieces in the right spot. Otherwise they would be kind of all over and then the coloring wouldn't really line up with the pieces of strip or the strip papers that I have. So I just kind of go through and get them lined up as much as I can, and as I splatter and it dries, I'm adding the strips to the paper so that it's ready to go for when I need to do my embellishments. So I pulled out bits of the Horizon collection and some other bits that match this because I'm running out of these collections. So obviously, you know, with Paige Evans, a lot of her collections can mix and mingle because they just match that that closely. So I am just going through and getting them put down and all of that. So yes, we are back. Scraplist Sunday is back again. The thing is that with Laura, she does scrap timber. I know her and I did it in the past, and then I know that the Scrappy Sisters did it over and did it on their channel too. I just, with college, I couldn't join her, and I can't wait. I have one more year of college left, so next September I won't be able to do it, but I will be done with college in December of next year. So then that matches up with what I am going to be able to do then in 2023. Be able to go back to my fun stuff that I used to do and all of that. I do know that we are super excited, Josh and I. Well, I'm more excited probably than he is, but ultimately Josh and I don't, we're very frugal people, but Josh is almost done with being in the Army and doing that thing, and he is almost on his way home. We're under 60 days, and that means we are no longer going to be moving around. Like, Josh is getting ready to retire when he gets back, so we decided to put down roots here in the area, like Fort Gordon, the area that we're at. We're gonna stay, but we're gonna stay on the South Carolina side. So we put money down on a house and we are going to be building brand new. It will have, at the end of the day, it will have 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's about 32-ish square feet on 2 acres. So I am super ecstatic. Josh is somewhat ecstatic, the fact he's just more ecstatic that he's getting out. So right now that's on his brain, is him coming back. Where we live and what Fort Gordon has on the installation, Josh is able to do what most people love to do when they're military, is wear the uniform on a Friday, turn around on a Monday and go in on civilian clothes. And right now he's going to be able to do that once he gets out. We've got, once he gets back in December, we have till April of 2023, which will put him at exactly 24 years of doing this thing. So I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to, normally I don't do like, normally this channel is all about my process videos and stuff, but I'm going to like do life updates and stuff along the way about our house and how Josh and I are transitioning, because I do know that transitioning from the military world to civilian sector, not a lot of people understand what we go through, and it's going to be a heck of a huge transition for Josh and I. Josh has been doing this for 24 years, the exact same job, doing the exact same stuff over and over, and I have been with him half of that. So actually longer than that, believe it or not. It will be almost 20 by the time he gets done and we're out. We would be going through this almost 20 years. I met him in 2006, so just go along with that. And so yeah, it's a journey in itself for sure. So that's my exciting news for that. I'm super ecstatic. Josh and I are ready for this next chapter. Maybe, possibly, we don't know. We're just used to this, and then we're going to something different. So enjoy our journey, because it's going to be fun and exciting. I don't have any other channel or any YouTube channel or any of that sort to show like the process, but I definitely will talk it. And follow me on social media. That is where you're going to see. You're going to see it on my Instagram stories, all of that stuff, and you're going to see it on my Facebook page. So here I am going through all this. Make sure that you check everything down below. Go over to Laura's. I'm super excited that we are back. We always take September off because she has so much to do with doing Scraptember and that video a day. And man, I would love to join her. Golly, I would love to bring back Scrap Madness in March. It's just too much with college. If I didn't have college, man, I'd be in it. I would do it every single day. It wouldn't bother me a bit. But anyway, so I am going through all of this and just finishing it up. I decided to take some of these words and place them in different spots. Now, the person that we are scrap lifting, I can't say her name, that's why I haven't said it. It's one of the Hip Kit design, design teams. And she does an amazing job. I really, really love how hers turns out, but it's a little too white for me. Y'all know my whiteness. I don't like it. So I gotta add some stuff. So I'm going through the words of this one collection that Paige Evan uses for travel, and I'm just placing the words that I know would fit her. And this was her, the day that we were supposed to go back to school, and our district pushed us a whole month to get ourselves ready because of COVID last year. So this was supposed to technically be her first day of school and my first day of school, and then it wasn't. We got pushed back a whole month. So yeah, that's what this was about for the photo and everything. So I'm just going through everything. I'm going to place this down, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. I hope you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.